Hello friends, my name is Sarveshwar and in this video I'll discuss how to do multi-collinearity test in Stata. So for that purpose, the description data is we have data points, years, this is annual data points, then electricity data, GDP per capita data, mobile subscriber data and their logged values and trend values. So I want to run a regression uh, of their log values like GDP is our dependent variable and independents are electricity and mobile variable. So now the model we run here, this was our model. GDP is our dependent variable and independents were electricity and mobile. And we run that, we find that uh, model is good. The F statistics is very fine. Individual coefficients are also significant. So now we want to test uh, is our model is very good, is it fit or not. So here what we can see the way how to identify the multicollinearity is number one. First thing is when our R square is quite high but individual coefficients are not significant, but here is not this case because R square is significant, R square is very good, oral model F value ka P value is also very good, but individual coefficients are also very significant because their P value is less than 0.05. So there are no chances of multi-collinearity or collinearity. So second thing is their correlation table. So how to do that? So we can do correlation table as well. If the correlation is more than 0.8, the case here we are saying it is more than the independent variable electricity and mobile, it's 90%. So there are chances there could be multicollinearity, and for that purpose we need to do variance inflationary factor VIF. We can also check by this. If it is more than 10 here for individual coefficients, then it might be issue of concern, but here it is not the case. So the chances multicollinearity is there are very less. Similarly, if we just want to explain what is multicollinearity, so we can simply say if there is a linear association between two or more predictor or explanatory or independent variables, if there are some linear association between independent variables, then we can say there is multicollinearity. So in that case, but here we are not seeing any kind of the situation because VIF is less than 10, the thumb rule. uh, Individual coefficients are also significant along with the p-value of F statistics and R square. So in this way it is not there, but suppose if it exists, if we find the data is having collinearity, then what to do in that situation? We need to drop the variable or transform the variable if required. So this is the way we handle multi-collinearity integration in Stata. Thanks friends. Keep